So if you've ever looked at a light switch and wondered what the 1 gang, 2 gang and 3 gang term actually means, I'm going to explain it simply in this video. So I'll tell you how they work, where they're used, and how to choose the right switch for your project or application, what you're using it for. So I'm just going to say quickly what the term gang doesn't mean, which some people think it may do. So gang does not mean the number of lights. It does not mean the location of control lights. It's not the size of your back box, and it's not the electrical load or power rating. So the term gang on a switch simply means the number of switches. So this is a 1 gang switch. Yeah, 1 faceplate with 1 switch. You'd use a 1 gang switch for something like in a bedroom where there's 1 light fitting and 1 switch. The second is the 2 gang switch. 1 faceplate, 2 separate switches, and you'd use this in, say, let's say a room where there's maybe 2 separate lights, or you might have a switch in 1 room for a light and an extractor fan as well, for example, or your main living room light and some separate wall lights. And your last is the 3 gang switch. 3 switches on 1 faceplate. This may look like 1 unit, but internally it's split. It's 3 separate switches, is that. Some are different, some you might just have 3 like this, completely separate, but this brand, they're all in 1 block, but separate internally. And you'd use a 3 gang for maybe a kitchen with multiple lighting zones, or an open plan space where you need 3 different switches for 3 different lights, sections of lights. So that's it, it's dead simple. So if there's any questions, leave me a comment and I'll answer them. If there's any other questions or any other videos you like creating, put them in the comments and I'll try to create them. I have got other videos on lighting circuits, how to wire 1-way, 2-way lighting circuits, how to read the circuit diagram of a lighting circuit as well, which may help you. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed it.